Welcome to PatchKit Launcher's Visual Editor, a powerful tool that lets you customize your game's launcher without a single line of code. Getting started is simple. First, ensure you have a game uploaded to the PatchKit dashboard with at least one published version. If you're unsure how to do that, please refer to our Getting Started with PatchKit video in the description below. Now, click on the Launcher Themes link in the left sidebar. To create a new theme, simply click on the New Launcher Theme button, followed by the Create Visual Editor Theme button, and then open in Editor to begin the magic. Let's get familiar with the interface. On the left, you have your main toolbar. This houses the element tree, assets, window settings, and all the elements you might want to add to your theme. On the right, you have the Properties bar. This is where you can modify the properties of any selected elements. Below, the States bar lets you switch between different launcher states and decide in which states your selected elements should be visible. And of course, the main canvas here lets you preview your creative theme as you work. For detailed instructions on how to work with the editor, please check the separate video link in the description below. Once you're satisfied, simply go to File and then Save. After saving, it's time to bring your theme to life. Close the editor and return to your theme page on the PatchKit dashboard. You may need to refresh the page to see the changes. Once the changes are visible, click on the Assign to App button. You will be prompted to select the game that will use your new launcher. For this demonstration, we'll choose the one we created on our account prior to this video. Now, when you download and run your game's launcher, you'll see your brand new theme in action. To do so, navigate to your application and click on the Get Launcher button. We will try to open it now. Perfect. Everything seems to be working as expected. Keep in mind that any updates to the themes will be automatically fetched by the launcher. There's no need to re-download the launcher or reassign the theme to your game. And there we have it. We've journeyed through the intuitive process of designing and implementing a custom theme using the PatchKit Launcher's visual editor. Remember, with this tool, you're not just customizing a launcher, you're enhancing the first impression players get of your game. Thank you for joining us in this guide. If you have any questions or feedback, don't hesitate to reach out. And if you found this tutorial helpful, consider liking, sharing, or subscribing. Until next time, happy designing with PatchKit.